Well, hence here again, Constitutional Crisis Channel, another in our series of current events articles, and this one you may have seen on the internet too. It's kind of sketchy on details right now, but it's known colloquially out here in San Francisco, where this case originated, as the Monkey See, Monkey Sue case. It involves a case of a monkey that allegedly took a selfie, which I'm not even sure that could be established, even if he did. It looks like a professional photograph to me, and it's a damn good one. I got that. But now PETA, the People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, is actually in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. They just heard oral argument the other day in front of a three-judge circuit in the second highest court in the land on this case. One wonders how in the hell it ever got out of the district court, and I haven't seen the opinion yet, but trust me, I'm going to update you on this, and next time I will have that information, and we'll see what we can figure out here. But how in the world they have status and standing there, initially was beyond me to even comprehend. But after I thought about it, I think they're absolutely right. And it helps us. You can't believe how much it helps us in the cause that we're doing here. Because in an Article 3 judicial court, that's absolutely impossible. There is no way, unless you're going to argue that the framers of the Constitution considered monkeys to be within the meaning of we the people of the United States. That's a hard one for me to grasp. I don't even think Ruth Bader Ginsburg would attempt it. But that's the only way. But on the other hand, if these courts are, as I've been claiming they are for decades now, in the last 10 years, unopposed, federal legislative territorial tribunals, that's a different set of circumstances. And I think a monkey may well have standing there. And I've got to be careful how I put this next, because, if they have standing under the 14th Amendment, those of you familiar with, how that amendment was quote-unquote ratified, realize that the primary purpose, stated purpose, was to give citizenship to the freedmen who were recently freed from slavery in the South. Now, if that's true, it may not be that far of a leap to go from there to monkey see, monkey sue. I mean, I don't know. But it makes sense to me that a monkey might actually have standing. Although one thing I want to see, and when I report back, I'm going to have, if I can get them, the legal briefs of PETA in support, because they're claiming to be guardian, of this ape, which is the guardian and ward relationship. But it's hard to see how that can be created as a matter of law, because wouldn't you need a document that both parties agree to it? How's the monkey going to sign it? I mean, an obvious problem. I mean, now if he can do that, that's one hell of a monkey. Maybe he doesn't need PETA to be in there. I don't know. But this whole thing, and by the way, the report that I read is just a brief report that said that some of the attorneys and the judges were laughing in court while this case was going on. They were hearing the case. And I, as a conspiracy theorist I am, I'll bet you at least the judges and maybe some of the attorneys were laughing at us. The joke is on us. And ask yourself, why are they wasting quote-unquote judicial economy on something like this, and yet we can't get in there with non-statutory federal writs of habeas corpus to challenge our unlawful arrest, our unlawful conviction, what have you? We lack standing. Can you please ask, if you have anybody, friends that are a judge, a lawyer, or somebody, can you please ask them that question, and if they can give you an answer? Is this all they have time for, is BS like this? Damn, I can't tell you how upset I was when I first read that, and I still am. Second highest court in the nation. The good news is the chances of it getting heard at the U.S. Supreme Court are next to none, and they would actually be none if Warren E. Bastard Berger was still the Chief Justice. They wouldn't even get a vote there if that happened. Nowadays, who knows? You got a couple of three that might actually think it had merit. That's how screwed up this legal system is. But I am going to report back on this, and if I can get these documents that they put in to say why we have standing here coming in as a guardian under this kind of circumstance, I'd love to see this. And if I do, I'm going to tear it apart, and you're going to love every minute of it. Meanwhile, as I've said in earlier videos, if you want to check out my document packets, which are now available in the trial court, I have some appellate documents, and I'm developing right now, they're not ready yet, but you'll get notified when they are, documents we can go in and make moving papers in the trial court, something I've been opposed to up until very recently. But I've seen enough legal authorities to change my position on this, and I think you can do it, and I think it gets rid of your case a lot quicker than it would to use the regular packets, although both will work. But that said, check it out. That'll be beneath in the notes here. My email address is ccaspari@live.com. And send me an email. I'll send you information back on the packets and the information on those. And if you want to get them, there'll be information how to do that too. And until then, I'll see you the next time. Thank you.